So in this video, we're going to improve on our random text generator a bit. So go ahead and open up the fifth step, which is called Random Generator Infinite Form. Go ahead and copy the code and paste it over the code that's in your test.php file and save it. Let's jump to the browser real quick and see this in action. I'm going to go ahead and refresh my test.php page because in the previous video I submitted the form. I need to go ahead and highlight this URL and hit enter instead of using Command R to refresh. So the bottom here looks identical to our previous example, but now we have a new form here that says how many tokens you want to use, and it says 3. If we inputted 10, for example here, and clicked Generate Token Inputs, you'd see that the number of tokens down here extends all the way to have 10 tokens. If we wanted just 1 token, we could just put 1 and click Generate Token Inputs, and sure enough, we have just 1 token input here. If we fill this out, so I'm setting the text as UR, and then attribute is going to be my token. So in token 1 here, I'm setting it to attribute, and then the replacements are going to be awesome, amazing, great, and better than average. Notice I'm adding some spaces after the comma, which is okay, because in our previous step, we set it up to clean all of these extra spaces off of the replacements before they get used. Okay, and then I'm going to click Generate Randomness. So at the top, we have our output. It says you are better than average. And notice we have another improvement to this form. All of the text inside of the inputs is persisting from one form submission to another. So we can easily modify this in order to maybe add some new attributes. And then we can click Generate Randomness in order to see a new random line.